Your dining room walls are more than just empty space. They can set the mood for every meal, from casual breakfast to elegant dinner parties. In this video, I'll share smart and stylish dining room wall decor ideas that are easy to apply, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to make your space feel welcoming and polished. Definition: dining room wall decor simply means the creative use of art, texture, lighting, and design elements on your walls to enhance the overall look and atmosphere of the room. 4. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Choose a focal point such as a statement mirror, large art piece, or gallery wall. Step 2. Balance the space with complementary decor like wall shelves, sconces, or floating cabinets. Step 3. Add texture through wood panels, wallpaper, or fabric accents. Step 4. Finish with personal touches like framed family photos, a clock, or greenery to make it unique. Tools explained. You'll need a measuring tape, wall hooks, a level for alignment, a hammer or drill depending on your surface, and protective pads to avoid wall damage. Quick tips: use odd number groupings for art pieces as they feel more natural. Hang artwork at eye level for the best viewing angle. Mix textures like metal and wood to create depth. Cost comparison: framed art or mirrors can cost between $40 to $200 depending on size and quality. DIY gallery walls or shelves can be as low as $20. Wallpaper or wood panels can range from $100 to $300 depending on coverage. Workflow: start by measuring your wall, select your focal point, plan your layout on paper or digitally, gather tools, install the main piece, and then add smaller decor items around it for balance. Professional notes: avoid overcrowding. Leave some negative space so the design feels clean. Always consider your dining room lighting when selecting wall colors or art. And remember, durability matters. Choose materials that are easy to clean and maintain. To decorate your dining room walls effectively, start with a focal point, layer with textures and accents, add personal touches, and finish with proper lighting and spacing. If these ideas inspired you, try one today and see how much your dining room transforms. For more design tips, subscribe and join our community of home enthusiasts.